Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to play Valorant on Linux. While Valorant does not officially support Linux, we can explore methods to get it running using compatibility layers. It's important to understand that the game's anti-cheat system, Vanguard, often creates significant hurdles for Linux users. This guide will walk you through the necessary steps, offering a clear path to potentially enjoy Valorant on your Linux system. We'll cover the tools and configurations needed for a smoother experience. First, you'll need to install Lutris, an excellent open-source game manager that simplifies the process. Alongside Lutris, make sure you have a recent version of Wine installed, as it's crucial for running Windows applications on Linux. When setting up, configure Wine to use a 64-bit prefix, which is essential for Valorant. Additionally, always keep your graphics drivers updated to their latest versions to ensure the best possible performance and stability while gaming. Now, let's get Valorant installed. Begin by downloading the official Valorant installer directly from Riot Games' website. Next, open Lutris and create a new game entry. You'll need to select the Wine runner and then point it to the Valorant installer you just downloaded. Carefully follow the on-screen prompts to complete the installation process. Remember, patience is key, as this step can sometimes take a few minutes to finish. Finally, we address the biggest hurdle: Valorant's Vanguard anti-cheat. Unfortunately, Vanguard is designed to prevent the game from running on unsupported operating systems like Linux, and there is currently no consistently reliable method to bypass it. While the community sometimes finds temporary workarounds, these are not guaranteed and can be short-lived. Be aware that performance can vary greatly depending on your specific hardware and software configuration. Keep an eye on community forums for the latest developments.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.